I broke the fucking thing again.
I sleeved it, reinforced the joint.
That screamer's loud as fuck with the roof down, isn't it? Oh my god, feel it! Look at that!
Yeah, I can hear your tyres squealing your tip.
It's back to how it used to be. So hello and good evening. Now, we are down with the Civic. You'd have just seen last video, you'd have seen me putting the spoiler on the Civic. Now, quick little story time. Let me set the camera up because a lot of yous are going to laugh. I'll tell you where we are in a minute, but long story short, I decided let's go to USC at the weekend, and I decided to take the MX5 and I decided to rag it, even though I hadn't had the engine mounts done yet and it was booked in on Monday, which was yesterday. Lo and behold, I broke the fucking thing again. The screamer pipe actually snapped off. Now, a lot of you are slating TDI, oh, they should have done this, they should have done that. They did tell me to go back 2 weeks later to get a checkup and see what's going wrong, what's doing well, etc, etc. I didn't. I haven't had time, hence why we are at S.P.A MX5 Specialist. So, yeah, the screamer pipe snapped off, the wastegate snapped off. You'd have seen the little video on the screen now. It was it sounded like a tractor, it sounded like a jet plane, it sounded shit. And I haven't got the time to go back up to Warrington, which is about nearly 2 hours away from me. So we found, well, actually I didn't find, Ali kindly messaged me on Instagram and said, hello, we are a MX5 specialist here in Ilkeston, and it's fucking perfect world because I live very close. So I thought, do you know what, TDI, they're good with the Hondas, but that MX5 was the first one they've done. So with a car like that, the way it is now, I'd rather bring it to someone that literally specialises in specifically that car. So we are working alongside S.P.A MX5 Specialist, and the type of work these guys do. Let me just put this into perspective. Yesterday was Monday. I dropped the car off last night at around 8 o'clock. Okay, it's done. Engine mounts, alignment, and they've welded the screamer back on in one day. In one fucking day. Yeah, let's go speak to them. Boys, I dropped it off last night.
Yeah.
And it's done.
Yeah. Sorted.
See what I mean? Literally, I dropped it off about 8 o'clock last night. I left here, and it's ready to roll out the door again. What? 12 hours later? 24 hours later?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to
8
explain?
hours. Shit, 8 hours.
It's been a swearful day.
Yeah.
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 I mean, you signed up for it, so.
Yeah.
So what has been done?
What has been done?
What has been done?
Turbo off, manifold off, downpipe out, welded the screamer pipe back to the manifold.
This is Steve, by the way.
Back
This is Ali.
What else do we do? Done your alignment.
Oh yeah, it's had an alignment as well. Obviously, the subframe had to come off. Engine mounts. Which was the main thing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So she's pretty much ready to roll, is she not?
I sleeved it, reinforced the joint. So I'm hoping.
There you go. There you go.
It's only, I've never done it before, so.
Well, it shouldn't rock back and forward as much.
The engine going to rock, because I think what it was doing was chattering on here.
Right, okay.
Which would have just weakened the joint.
Yeah. And
so with your engine mounts and a reinforced joint, I think we'll be okay.
Sweet. Well, I'll know, because if I'm not back in a week, then
then
you've done well.
Happy face videos on YouTube,
yeah.
We're all good.
So I should enjoy the car now, and you've obviously done the alignment. What did we go for? For 1.5?
1.5 on the rears.
Yeah.
3 on the front.
3 on the front.
Managed to. You've had to stick with 3 just to get your toe in.
Right.
Because it was towing out like a lot.
Right. That's sound.
Probably for drifting, that's great.
Yeah. So I've still got the camber.
You still got the camber.
Perfect.
And still got all your maximum caster as well. So.
Happy days. Side skirts on, and she's ready to roll.
Yes.
Right. That's that. That's what they've done in, like, well, I wouldn't even say 24 hours. What time did you start this morning?
7 hours.
7 hours. In 7 hours, they have done all that. So I'm going to say it now, and I mean this when I say it. These are like father and son run little business, and as you can see in the background, there is just MX5s everywhere. That's all they specialise in. So please, if you do have an MX5, make the trip down here. S.P.A Servicing and Repairs MX5 Specialist. It is worth it. 1 day turnaround, 7 hours, and it's ready to roll back out the door again. Yeah, I'll break it again in 2 weeks, but yeah, you can just, with companies like this, I absolutely love working with companies like this. Father and son run a little business, and yeah, they help you out as much as possible, point you in the right direction, and I'm more than happy to give these guys my money. So yeah, we're going to go test the MX5 out. I'm going to put the camera in and let Liam have his first little drive in it. You've drove it just with a big hole in the manifold?
Yeah, I drove it NA.
I've
done that before.
Turbo delete. So yeah, I'll put all the links in the description for S.P.A. Once again, if you've got an MX5, anything kind of Jap related, just drop them a message, man, because these guys will either point you in the right direction or they'll sort the job for you. So yeah, he's just rolling it out the door now, our rally, and we're back on the road 7 hours later. So I'm going to get Ali to give it a little rev now the engine mounts are in. Go on. Yeah. Perfect. There we go. Oh, that's... I tell you what, the throttle's well more responsive. Straight away, yeah. I don't know if that's because I've been driving the Civic, but...
I noticed how responsive it was yesterday.
What, on this?
Yeah, Slow's more responsive than Beamer.
It's responsive, isn't it? Oh, it feels tight again, man. Don't feel loose or anything.
Not even low.
Mate, should we just take a second to have a discussion about how quick that turnaround was?
Yeah, mega quick.
Like, mate,
it surprised
7
me.
hours work and they've got it back on the road. I wasn't expecting to get this back for another week or so.
Yeah, because they would have started it when they started this morning.
That's mad. That's mad.
Oh, yeah.
We've got boost. I heard the turbo. Meal, does that feel quicker?
Felt quicker than yesterday.
That feels way better, man.
Both.
That screamer's loud as fuck with the roof down, isn't it? Oh, lad.
Oh, yeah.
It's fucking naughty, ain't it? Oh, mate, it's brought it back to life again. Look at the fucking hell.
Direct, innit?
Mate, that's mad. I told you you'd love it again. It's back to how it used to be. It's back to my MX5, lad.
Well, I bet them it's going to be broken in 2 weeks. So if you break it, I lose 20 quid.
Lad, it feels fucking sick, man. Mate. That's proper brought the spark back for this, you know. This is how it used to feel, man. This is how I remember it. This is how it was when I dropped it off without turbo and all that shit.
Well, the engine mounts are going to make a massive difference straight up.
Are sick.
It's probably them engine mounts that's caused your fucking screamer to snap.
Yeah, it will be.
What do you mean?
Lad, it's fucking sick, innit?
Reckon they can hear it?
Them
Back
yeah,
to
probably. Lad, it's brought it all back. This is going nowhere, this car, bro.
dickhead.
Oh my god, feel it! Look at that!
Yeah, I can hear your tyres squealing your tip. Ignorant as fuck that is.
It's arrogant, isn't it? I love it. Honestly, boys, I am not just saying this for the video, because if my heart weren't in this car, trust me, it'll be gone. Because I've got maybe a £5 car here that I could chuck £5 into the Civic, and trust me, my heart will always be with Honda, and I want to case swap that car more than anything in the world. But I've literally just fallen back in love with this car after that little rip. Then, mate, it's how I remember an MX5 to be. I just want to give the biggest thank you to Ali and Steve at S.P.A MX5 Specialist, mate. Honestly, they've brought it back for me. They've literally brought me from, how was I yesterday?
Shit, mate.
I wanted to sell it. I wanted to burn it. I was like, I don't give a fuck about it anymore. Now it's back to being my pride and joy. I want to get on the driveway and clean it, and do you know what I mean? Keep it fresh. Whereas before, it didn't really bother me. Oh mate, honestly though, all their links are in the description, Instagram, everything. Please just show them some love, man, because this car was gonna leave the channel after all that hard work, blood, sweat and tears waiting, and thanks to them, it's brought it all back, man. Fucking buzzing.
I'm gonna say 3 words. Told you so.
Yeah, fair enough. Look at him with his roof down. Alright, so I'm letting Liam drive the MX5 back because 1, I want to hear it, and 2, I don't let no one drive my baby Civic. So, but yeah, honestly guys, I'm not just saying it for the video. I've proper got my spark and buzz back for that MX5, and it is thanks to Steve and Ali, man. Like, that honestly means a lot. Show them some love in the comments as well. They're a little bit nervous, I know, because a lot of people have been saying stuff about TDI, which actually did put little spring clamps on the turbo. So yeah, show them some love down in the comments, man, because if it weren't for them, the MX5 would be literally sat on my driveway with no boost, pretty much broken. So yeah, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. The MX5 is back on the road. Very, very happy bunny. Big thank you to S.P.A. And yeah, if you did enjoy it, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you boys in the next one. Peace.